as said, this is the glue remover machine. And this pipe, the left one is to connecting with the air compressor. Yes, the left one is connecting with the air compressor, and the right one is connecting with the vacuum pump. Just like this. It's connecting this one. This one is connecting with the vacuum pump, and this is the power line. So first, to turn this on is for the insurance.
这是手动和自动，这是自动。
And this button is to turn it to automatic or manual one. And then the emergency, just open it. And the power.
然后这个 LCD 给它试一下。
This is the LCD. The mode is for iPhone 4. 它开了就自动加热吗？
对。
And now it's to heating. 加到几度啊？
加到80度，等到加到80度就可以。
那就要等，它现在怎么没动呢？哦有。And need to wait the temperature to be 75 or 80, just to wait it heating.
一般从除胶机上，从那分频机下来以后，它是热的，直接就可以出。
And normally, after we separate the LCDs will be heater, and then it can do. 怎么没动呢？
它就是40度应该调的。你先说吧。
40度够吗？
它应该是70多度。这怎么调啊？这是往上调。
没动啊。
这是调。调到。
This can fix the temperature.
75度。OK。然后就是。
直接给它释放。
然后这个是调速器。
And this is the speed controller. 然后就可以 start. And then start.
对，就是往前走。
It will go automatically. 走不了。
走，它走，它停顿一下，它可以走。
Then it is done. And this can fix the height of the silicone roller, just like this. This is the silicone roller, and this high one can fix it the height. And as you can see, here have 3 buttons, 3 connector, green one, and the middle one also can fix the silicone roller, just to prevent the flex cable from the roller's damage. Just like if you want the silicone roller to go more forward, then you can put it to left one. Just okay.